What is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to transform this unused living room into this. Then stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to show you how to do it all DIY under a budget of $1,200 in less than a week. Let's go. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we're going to rip off the baseboard and prepare the floor. Alright, the next step is really simple. All you're going to do is lay a piece of underlayment, the new flooring, and then you're going to mark where you're going to cut your door jamb. And then cut it. That's it. And to make life a little easier while we're installing our flooring, let's get the doors out the way. The next step is laying down the underlayment. This one is really easy to use. It's from Pergo. All you need is a utility knife and you're going wall to wall. And do not forget to lay it perpendicular to your floor. The floor already comes with an adhesive strip, but I don't trust it too much. It didn't feel that sticky, so I used blue tape on top of it. Alright, my biggest two tips for doing the floor is pulling the first two rows away from the wall, and also don't worry about the 1/4 inch expansion gap until maybe you're halfway done with the floor. This is a floating floor. You can always pull it away from the wall with a pry bar. Let's get to it. If you've made it this far into the video, please consider subscribing. I'm in the process, maybe halfway, of remodeling my house I just purchased, and this is what I do. I don't do this full time. I do this after work, and if you like this kind of content, please think about subscribing. My channel is more catered towards DIYers, but it's also for professionals. The little things probably get by me because I'm not gonna sand down the wall and get it level 5 skim coat on it or anything like that. So at the end of the day, I focus on the more important things, the things that add value to the home, because the end goal of this is to sell the house in August. And with trim, I literally just cut everything on 45s and just go wall to wall. Every now and then there might be a wall that's not square, but try your best, caulk the rest. And just like that, we are done. And I'm sorry if I was rambling this whole time during the video, but just to put this into perspective, this is my 4th house and my average ROI is around 50%. So there's money to be made in this field, and especially if you do everything yourself. What I'm doing is just changing I'm adding value to the house. I'm changing floors, I'm adding lights if it doesn't have lights. I'm doing the bathroom completely. For this house, I haven't got to it yet, but I will eventually. Right now, I'm just knocking out the main parts because that's the part I walk into, so I want it to look nice. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Catch you in the next one. Peace.